Hi, I'm excited to show you guys this kids microscope. It's so fun for kids to be able to zoom in really close and see the microscopic elements of different things around them. It's very high quality. You can also save the pictures on a little disc and insert it to your computer to see the images, and it also has a magnifying glass end, which is so nice. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So here it is. This is the little magnifying glass right here, and it has this screen. You can turn it on and it lights up just like that, and then you're able to zoom in on things. It has very bright lights, and you can zoom in and zoom out, and then you can also take pictures with the button on this side, which is really nice, and it's also rechargeable with a USB-C cord. I am going to show you what it looks like when kids are using it. You can look around. You can take pictures on it. Hard to do with one hand, huh?
Yeah.
And you can see the pictures you've taken.